Hello students, welcome to the class of Entrepreneurship Development Management. I'm Dr. Lakshmi, Associate Professor, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. Students, in today's class, you'll understand the concept of micro, small and medium scale enterprises and the definition of MSMEs. Students, micro, small and medium scale enterprises are one of the most vibrant sector of Indian economy. Students, this sector contributes to nearly 8% of country's GDP, 45% of the manufacturing output, and 40% of the exports. Students, these sector, provide the largest share of employment after agriculture. They are the nurseries for entrepreneurship and innovation. They are widely dispersed across the country and produce a diverse range of products and services to meet the needs of the local markets, the global market, and the national and international value chains. Students, when we'll move ahead, and now students, we will see that the micro, small, and medium scale enterprises have been defined under MSME Act 2006. And students, under this act, these enterprises were classified broadly into two categories. The first one was the manufacturing, and the other one was the enterprises which are rendering services. And the manufacturing enterprise have been further defined in the terms of investment in plant and machinery, and wherein the service enterprise has been defined in the terms of investment in the equipments. Students, this was the broader classification of MSMEs. And as students, now in today's slide, in this slide, students, you can see that the revised micro, small, and medium scale enterprises classification was defined as on 1st June 2020. Students, earlier, if we can see in this slide, it is very much clear that the definition earlier was on the basis of investment in plant and machinery and equipment in terms of services. Students, this classification, you can see that there was the classification on the basis of manufacturing and service enterprise. But students, if we go to see the new definition of micro, small, and medium scale enterprises, which has been come into the effect on 1st June 2020, it says that now the definition are made on the basis of investment in plant and machinery and equipments, and annual turnover has also been added to the definition, students. Now we can see the classification is there on the basis of manufacturing and services enterprises, students. And here you can see that the if we go to see, students, the definition of micro enterprise, so it is on the basis of investment should be up till rupees 1 crore of rupees should be there in the investment, and the annual turnover should be till 5 crore of rupees. And students, when we will see the classification of small scale enterprises, the investment has to be from rupees 1 crore of rupees till 10 crore, and annual turnover should be up till rupees 50 crores of rupees. And if we go to see, students, the definition of medium scale enterprises, it should not exceed, it should not go beyond the limit of 10 crores. That is, from 10 crores till 20 crores is the investment limit which is defined for medium scale enterprises, and the annual turnover should be more than 50 crore of rupees. So students, this is the new definition which is defined by the MSME Act, and this is the ministries which look after with the purpose to address all the issues which are related to MSME, the regulatory provisions for the expansion of the MSMEs in the country, students. So this was the small, review to you people to understand the new definitions of MSMEs. Thank you, students.